Hello guys, welcome again. So in this video we will be discussing about the topic related to AWS, and the topic will is more related to the way we want to clean old AMEs. So without wasting time, let's start. So the problem statement is you have many AMEs in your AWS account and you would like to delete AMEs that are older than, let's say, 30 days. So how would you do it? And the task will become more trickier, like when you want to do it periodically, like each month, maybe on the last date of the month you want to delete AMEs that are stale and that are older than 30 days. So uh, what we will be discussing, so uh, I have created a simple Python script that will do, and that is sufficient if you want to do it once. But like again, as I said, if you want to automate it, you want to do it periodically, then you might want to use an SSM automation document that I've created. And the third part is in line, like third part will be using Cloudwatch event to trigger the SSM document, and there we can use a cron expression or an rate expression like every 30 days or so. uh, Moving to the next step. uh, yes, so this is AWS console. You all are already familiar with this. Yes, so here I have instance. So this instance in stopped state, I have created an AME of it. The AME is here, and the corresponding snapshot of the that is related to the AME is here. You can see that it is written over here that this is a snapshot of this particular AME. So now I will share the script. So this is the script. This is simple Boto3 uh, uh, the Python script using Boto3. So here this part we are finding the difference, like what is the like the image is created like 90 days back, so how we'll know the number of days. So basically here we will finding the days, and this is just we are initiating a Boto3 EC2 client, and this is simple Python script. Here we are finding uh, we are describing image, and this will give a list of images. By images I means AMI, Amazon machine image, that are owned by me. And for each image, I'm getting image ID, I'm getting create date, and I'm getting the snapshot ID, as I shown you in the previous section, that each AMI will have a snapshot ID. So when we want to delete, basically when we want to deregister an AME, we want corresponding snapshot to be deleted. And again in this part we are checking like how many days old is the AME, and if it is older than the age, that is we are defining here, it's by default 7. So if it is older than 7 days, then we are going to call these two APIs. So one is deregister image, and the second one is delete snapshot. So I think the script is pretty much self-explanatory, and I have put the script in my GitHub, and I'll share the link with you also, so you can refer the script from there. Now moving to the next part is like so you can run this script once. You can simply copy paste into your AWS into your local machine where you have credentials, and you can run this script like simply as we run Python 3 and then script name. So you can run it via that also, but the problem is like when you do it periodically, then maybe you can set a cron expression on your local system, but again that is a headache. So better to be better is like we completely use AWS cloud for this. So for this I have used the SSM automation document. So once we are in AWS console, we can go to systems manager. SSM is systems manager. So once we are here, yep, so once we are into SSM section, we will go to documents, and so like the first time you will come here, you have to come to owned by me section, and this will be blank for you. So you can click on create automation, and you can click on create automation here, and the YAML file is again on the GitHub. You can go to my GitHub section, and here this is the AMI cleanup SSM doc.yaml file. You can just copy paste the whole and you can go to create automation. You can all these details, you can fill the name here and go to editor, and you can click on edit. Okay, and you just paste the whole document here. So while pasting, you have to change one parameter, that is the role name, that SSM admin, this particular line you have to change, and that's all. Yeah, that's all. So let me demonstrate you. Yeah, document section, and this is owned by me, so this is delete AME. So basically what it does, it executes the same function as we seen in the last section. So this document execute the same script, it does the same set of steps, but the benefit is here we can automate this. Like we can create a Cloudwatch event that triggers this SSM doc, and that way we can automate this. Like we can automate it like to trigger or to start every 30 days or so. So let's test this once how this works. So we will execute it, and so the days old parameter is you can change it. So I will set it 0 because the AMEs are quite fresh and I just created them. So I will just create an execute, and it will be executed. So it's in progress. I think it's in success, and here you can see that the AME, which is 0 days old, is deleted, and the snapshot is also deleted. To verify again, we can go here, we can go to EC2 section, and we can go to AMEs, and you will see that the AME is no more here, and the snapshot is also deleted, and that's all. Yes, the last part is creating like a trigger for this. So we can go to Cloudwatch, now go to events, then rules, create rule, then you can create a schedule. As I said, you can create a rate, like every 30 days you want to delete, you want to trigger this doc, then add target. Here you have to choose SSM automation, and you will find the doc here. So we will choose this one, and parameter we can change here. Like for 30 days we will choose 30 days old AMEs, and you can keep the rest of the parameters as same, and configure details. You can choose name here, we will give it test, and create rule. So we have created a rule, and this rule will periodically uh, trigger that SSM doc, and in such a way all EMEs that are older than 30 days will be deleted. So yes, so if you go to this particular directory, this is my GitHub repo, mohit614 slash awesome scripts. So if you go here, you have to look for AME cleanup.py script and AME cleanup SSM doc.yaml. So these two files you have to take a look, and you have to copy paste as accordingly. So I hope this video is a learning experience for you. Please do like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you and have a nice day, and thanks for watching.